Hello everyone. In this video I will discuss trigonometry exercise 8.2 NCERT question number 1 third. Okay. Now see, in this question it is given that cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Okay, you have to evaluate this. Okay. So now cos 45 degree, we all know that cos 45 degree, the value of cos 45 degree is what? 1 upon root 2. Okay, divided by sec 30. Sec 30 is what? That is 2 upon root 3 plus cosec 30 degree is, that is 2. Okay, you have to learn all the values of these trigonometric ratios. Okay, now see, this is what? 1 upon root 2. So I write 1 upon root 2 by, take LCM here, that is root 3, that is equal to 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, now it is 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, now what I can do here, I can write root 3 by root 3 into 1 root 3, and here you will take common 2. Okay, from these two term you will take 2 common here, so it will become what? That is 2 root 2. Okay, and it is what? Root 3 plus 1. Okay, this 2 is when I take 2 common from these two term, that 2 come here, and this root 2 is in here, and this bracket part is root 3 plus 1. Now what I can do now I will rationalize this part. Okay, now see, that is root 3 by 2 root 2 bracket root 3 plus 1. So I will rationalize this part, so it will become what? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay, you all know about the concept of rationalization. Okay, now see, so it will become root 3 bracket root 3 minus 1. I will multiply these two, and now see, these two term, that is root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1, this is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So I can apply the identity, that is a square minus b square. So that is 2 root 2, and here it is root 3 square, so this is 3, and minus 1 square, that is 1. Okay, so here the value is what? That is equal to 3 root 3 minus 1 by, that is what? The value of this part is what? 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 into 2 root 2, that is 4 root 2. Again in this part I will remove this root 2. Okay, again you have to do rationalize. Now see, that is root 3 minus 1 by 4 root 2 into root 2 upon root 2. Okay, you will rationalize it until this root 2 removes from this denominator part. Okay, now see, multiply this root 3 into root 3, that is 3. Okay, now see, first you do that root 2 into root 3, that is what? Root 6. Okay, now it is root 3 minus 1 by, and 4 root 2 into 2, that is 4 2 ja 8 here. Again see, root 2 into root 3, that is root 18 minus root 6 into 1, that is root 6 by 8. So root 18, the value of root 18 is what? That is 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Okay, so this is our required answer. Okay. This is the value of this question. Okay, in this way we will solve this. Okay, I hope you will understand this. Okay, now moving towards the cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay, now applying the values. So this is what 5 cos 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is how much? That is 1 by 2. So you will do here square, that because this is because square is here. Okay, plus 4 sec square 30 degree. So sec 30 degrees is what? 2 upon root 3 whole square minus tan square 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is 1. So you will do 1 square upon sin square 30 degree, that is sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, now solve for this. This is what? 1 square is 1 and 4 is 2 square is 4. So this will be this part will become 5 upon 4 plus this is what? 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. So 4 4 ja 16. So this is 16 by 3 minus 1 by this is what? 1 by 4 plus this is 3 by 4. Okay, now see this one. So in this part you will take LCM, that is 4 3 ja 12. Okay, so now this is 4 3 ja 12, so 3 5 ja 15 plus 3 4 ja 12, so 4 16 ja, that is 64 minus here you will do right 12 upon, in this case you will do what? Take 4 LCM and this is what? 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3. Now see, add these two. 64 plus 15, that is 9 and 7. 79 minus 12 by 12, and in this part that is 4 upon 4. So this 4 cancel out. So 67 minus 12, that is what? 7. 67 upon 12. Okay, so this is our required answer. In this way we will solve this one. Okay, now see question number 2. Question number 2 is saying that choose the correct option and justify this part. Okay, that is given that 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. You have to choose, first of all you have to solve this part and choose which option is correct and justify for this. Okay, so first of all you have to solve this question. Okay, now see which option will be correct. Okay, so now see, here you will write what? 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, so 2 into tan 30, we all know that the value of tan 30 is what? 1 upon root 3 by 1 plus tan 30 square, that means 1 upon root 3 square. So this becomes what? 2 upon root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. Now solve this one, that is what? 2 upon root 3 by, take LCM here, that is 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so here see, that is 2 upon root 3 into, this will go as a numerator, that is 3 upon, this is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4 here. Okay, now see, here it cancel out, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, and here it is 3 and it is root 3. So root 3 ja 3. Okay, root 3 ja 3. So it is cancel out. So the value becomes root 3 by 2. So you have to check for what value of these 4 options the value is root 3 upon 2. So we all know that the value of sin 60 is only root 3 by 2 and no any angles, no any angles having this value. Okay, so our correct option is option number 1, that is sin 60. Okay, so this value is equal to sine of 60 degree. Okay, that's why I choose option number first. Okay, so this is question number first of question number 2. Okay, now see second. In second part, question is given 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Okay, so now see this is 1 plus tan square 45 degree, sorry, 1 minus tan square 45 degree. So 1 minus tan 45 is what? 1 square by 1 plus tan 45 is 1 square. Now solve for this. So this is what? 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. So this is what? 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 is what? 0. So out of these 4 options, so which option is correct? This 0. Okay, so you will take out this option number 4, that is 0. Okay, now see third one. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to what? Okay, so for what value of a, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, this equation becomes equal. Okay, so now you have to for this you have to check for this. Okay, for each angle, suppose I choose this first option. Okay, so solve for this 0 degree. Now see, in the LHS part, this is what? Sine of 2a. So put here in place of a you will put 0. So this is what? Sine of 2 into 0 degree. Okay, so this is what? Sine of 0 degree. Okay, so sine 0 is what? Sine 0 is 0. The value of sine 0 is 0. Again, this 0 degree you will put in this RHS part. So our RHS part is what? 2 sine a, that is equal to 2 sine 0 degree. Okay, so now this is what? 2 into sine 0 is what? 0. The value of sine 0 degree is what? 0. So this is 2 into 0, that is 0. Okay, so what I see here, for the value of 0 degree, so this LHS is equal to RHS. So obviously this option is correct. Okay, if you will check with these angles, here LHS and RHS will not be equal. Okay, that's why I choose here option number first. Okay, now see, this is fourth one. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Okay, you have to choose which option is correct here. So first of all you have to solve this one, that is 2 tan 30. Tan 30 is what? 1 upon root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30 degree, that is 1 minus tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Okay, now see, this is what? 2 upon root 3 by 1 minus 1 by, this is square. Okay, 3. Now see, this is 2 by root 3 upon 3 minus 1 by 3. So this equation becomes 2 upon root 3 into. Okay, now see, this 3 will go as a numerator, 3 upon that, this is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So here 2 cancel out. So now see, root 3 into root 3, 3, root 3 is 3. So our value is what? Root 3. So see which option is correct. Okay, so for what value out of these 4 options, the value is root 3. Okay, so root 3 is the value of tan 60. Okay, so that's why I will choose option number 4, that is tan 60 degree. Okay, tan 60 is root 3. Okay, now see question number 3. Okay, exercise 8.2. This is very important question from the examination point of view. Okay, if tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3, and it is written in the question that the value of a plus b is lying between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, that means this angle may be equal to 90 degree also, that's why here equal to is here. Okay, and here a is greater than b. Okay, so find a and b, you have to find this angle a and b. Okay, so see here, you will solve like this. It is given that tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Okay, so I can write it like this, tan a plus b. So for what value of tan? It is root 3. So we know that the value of tan 60 is root 3. So I can write tan 60 degree in this part. Okay, in place of root 3 I can write tan 60. Okay, so in this equation I can write like this, a plus b is equal to 60. Okay, because this tan is cancelled out. So you will take this equation as first. Okay, in the same way it is given, okay, that tan a plus b, sorry it is minus a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. So I can write tan a minus b is equal to, we all know the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So I can write tan 30 degree. So here also tan is cancelled out. So the value is what? A minus b is equal to 30 degree. Okay, 30. So take it as equation number 2. Now what we will do, that we will solve these two equations to get the value of a and b. Okay, very simple. Now what we will do, you will just add these two equations. Okay, now see, adding equation first and second. So first equation is what? A plus b is equal to 60 degree, 60. Okay, you will write 60, and here a minus b is equal to 30. So you will just what? Add this. If you will add these two equations, see here, this plus b and minus b is cancel out. Okay, and a plus a, that is 2a, and here 60 plus 30 is what? 90. So the value of a is equal to what? 90 upon 2. So here what? A is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so if a is 45 degree, so now put this value in any equation, any of the above equation. So now write, putting the value of a is equal to 45 in equation first. Okay, in any of the above equation you will put this. Okay, so the first equation is what? So a plus b is equal to 60 degree. So a is what? 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. So b is equal to what? 60 degree minus 45 degree. So b is equal to 15 degree. Okay, so here you will see that the value of angle A is 45 and the value of angle B is 15 degree. Okay, in this way we will solve this question. Okay, now we will do the next question, that is question number 4 of exercise 8.2. This is the true or false question. Whether state whether the following are the true or false. Justify your answer. Okay. First question is, sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Is it correct or not? Okay. You have to check for any two angle. See, you have to justify your answer also. Okay. So see what I do here. So see first one, sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Is it correct or not? You have to check it for. Suppose if I take A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. Okay, you can suppose any angle. Okay, so you have to put these two in this equation. Okay, first one. So see LHS part, sine A plus B, that means I can write sine 60 degree plus 30 degree. So this is what, sine 90 degree, 60 plus 30, that is 90, and the value of sine 90 is what, that is 1. And again in this RHS part you will solve for this. So RHS part is sine A plus sine B. Now put this value, sine A, so our A is what, 60 degree, sine 60 degree plus sine B is what, sine 30 degree. Now see, sine 60 is how much, sine 60 is root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is what, 1 by 2. So the value is what, root 3 plus 1 by 2. Now see, in the LHS part I will get answer 1, and in this RHS part I will get answer root 3 plus 1 by 2. Here this LHS and RHS is not equal, so that's why this option is what, so the answer is true, sorry, this is false. Okay, in C second one, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Okay, question is saying that if the value of theta increases, so the value of sine is also increases. Is it true or not? Okay, obviously this is true, because this is true. If you see the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Okay, I will show you right now. Okay, just wait. Similarly, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. This is false. How this is false? I am showing you. Okay, see this chart. The value of sine theta increases as the value of theta increases. Okay, if sine theta is 0, so our answer is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. You will see what, after increasing the value of theta in sine, the value of this trigonometric angles are also increasing. See, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So 0 to 1. Okay, so these values are increasing in order. Okay, so that's why sine theta is increasing as theta increases. And similarly, just reverse it in the case of cos theta. So the value of cos theta decreases when the theta increases. See here, the value are decreasing in order 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So from 0 to 1. Okay, so remember this, sine theta increases from 0 to 1 and cos theta value decreases from 1 to 0. So that's why, so this is true and this is false. Okay, see the fourth one, sine theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Okay, so we all know that. See fourth one. Okay, so sine theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, sine theta and cos theta will be equal only if and if theta is 45 degree. Okay, if theta is equal to 45 degree, if I take theta is equal to 45 degree, so now see, check it, sine 45 degree is equal to cos 45 degree. Sine 45 is what, 1 upon root 2. Okay, and also cos 45 is what, 1 upon root 2. Okay, so for the value of theta is equal to 45 degree, sine 45 is equal to cos 45, it is what, root 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, so this is what, hey, question is saying that for all value of theta. Okay, so this is false. Okay, only for theta is 45 degree it is true, okay, not for all the values, so that's why it is false. Okay, now see the last one, fifth. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. Okay, you have to show that cot A is not defined for the value of A is equal to 0 degree. Okay, now see fifth one. Okay, we all know that tan 0 degree is what? Tan 0 degree is 1. Remember this. Okay, so here you have to find for cot A. Okay, so cot A, can I write it like this? Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Okay, because cot A and tan A, they both are reciprocal of each other. Okay, so you have to find this for the value for the angle theta is equal to 0 degree. Okay, so now see, so I can write cot 0 degree is equal to 1 by tan 0 degree. Okay, so what it will become? 1 by tan 0 is what? The value of tan 0 is 1, so I can write here 1. Okay, yes. Okay, wait 1 minute, that is, sorry, tan 0 is 0 degree. Okay, the value of tan 0 is 0. Okay, remember this. So yes, tan 0 degree is 0. Okay, remember this. So tan A is equal to 1 by tan A, sorry, cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Okay, so cot 0 degree is equal to 1 by tan 0 degree. So what? 1 by, I can write here 0. Okay, so 1 by 0, and this 1 by 0 is what? This is infinity, or I can say not defined. Okay, so not defined, yes, so it is correct. Question is saying that cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. Okay, so in this way I will show it. Okay, tan 0 degree is 0. Okay, remember this. So this is what? This is true. Okay, I hope you all understand this question. So okay, so in this way we will solve these questions. Okay, thank you all.